Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar and to Wish Week. We have another song there from you guys, boys and girls. You wished for songs, so we have this whole week. We had songs, so this time it's you, the Kid Man. One you wish for song from Kennedyxoxo. It's called Law of Attraction. Alright, so this one is great. Thank you, the Kid Man, for interacting with me at Gordon Guitar. Let's do this together. So we have a setup with capo on fourth. That is the best scenario for us. We love to have easy chords and to match up with the sound. That is why we use the capo on fourth. Let's go into the chords starting with A minor 7. All right, so that will be open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We have G next, and that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, open B, and third E. We have F. That's a bar chord where you play the bar on the first fret and you cover all strings there, and then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. And then we have the final chord, which is the C. And that goes third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Okay, so we have this melody that is the main part of the song. We're going to look into the strumming later, but the melody is important, so we're going to go and take a look at that right now, chord by chord. And we have the same chord progression, by the way, from the beginning till the very end. It goes A minor, G, F, C, and G. All right, so we're going to start with A minor, and that part goes like this. So that is open A, second D, first B, open G, second D, and open G. Next chord is G. So what you do here is to hold just the third fret on E string in the bass and first B. Okay, so you're gonna play. And it goes third on E string in the bass, open D, first B, open G, open D, and open G. Then we have F. This could be a little bit tricky. You have this grip, and it goes first on E in the bass, third on D, and then first on B. It could be nice to just put a bar there since we have 2 on the first fret, but we need to have open G string as well, so that is not doable. We have to go with this grip. So I'm gonna play first on E string in the bass, third D, first B, open G, third D, and open G. Then we have C. So that goes third on A, second on D, first B, open G, second D, open G. And then we have the final chord G, and that is played in the exact same way as we played the G before. So that ends the melody. So one round goes like this. 2 times G, 2 times F, 2 times C1, G1. Again. So there you have the melody. Now we can do the strumming as well. So if you go to the first chord again, A minor, one strumming round will be down, down, up, down, up. That is one round. So down, down, up, down, up. Couple rounds. And you follow just the same amount of times as you played for melody. So that means A minor 7, 2 string rounds, G, 2 string rounds, F, 2 string rounds, then C1 and G1, like this. Alright, so you have both the melody and the strumming to handle Kennedyxoxo's law of attraction. So the Kidman, thank you so much for being here. I enjoyed it. Hope you did as well. And if it was helpful for you or somebody else, please feel free to subscribe to this channel. Give me a like on this tutorial. And until next time, play tuned.